Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Firebase to your Thunkable app. First, you'll need to set up a new project in Firebase and register your app. This involves getting your unique API key and database URL. Then, within Thunkable, you'll initialize the Firebase component using these credentials. This foundational step ensures your app can communicate securely with your Firebase backend, paving the way for powerful data interactions. Next, it's crucial to configure your Firebase real-time database rules. These rules dictate who can read and write data, ensuring your app's security. You'll learn to set permissions, distinguishing between public access and authenticated user access. Proper rule setup is vital to prevent unauthorized data manipulation and protect your users' information, making your app robust and trustworthy. Now, let's dive into Thunkable's powerful Firebase blocks. You'll discover how to use these blocks to seamlessly store and retrieve data from your Firebase database. We'll cover implementing blocks for all essential operations, creating new entries, reading existing data, updating records, and deleting information. Plus, you'll learn to leverage event listeners for real-time data updates, enhancing your app's responsiveness. Finally, rigorous testing is key to a successful Firebase integration. Thoroughly test all your app's data operations to ensure everything works as expected. We'll also cover common troubleshooting steps, like verifying your API keys and checking for database rule violations. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. A well-tested app provides a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.